Good day, friends. Today I would like to prepare a broccoli and shrimp dish. First, I cut the stem of the broccoli and I get the broccoli into pieces. As you can see, I've already done that and it's ready to go. We also have Pacific Ocean prawn, all peeled and cleaned and ready. We need a few garlics, 6 or 7 cloves that I've already chopped and ready. So in order to make the sauce, we need about half a cup of soy sauce or maybe a little less. It depends on your taste. And to that, we add the, the spring onion. We take about 5 or 6 spring onion or green onion as some call it and chop them into small pieces. You don't need that big there. I've already done that and put the green onion in there. As I said, 5 to 6 stem would do. You also add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Uh, You can add water to this or not. It depends on you. If you don't want it to be too liquid, don't add the water. I'm adding a little water, but you don't have to. Most people don't like it to be too liquid, so they don't put the water. Now we prepare the powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. If you're using the more soy sauce you use, the less salt you need. Half a teaspoon of red pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, and now we have everything ready: the powder, the liquid, the rest, and get ready to cook. Now we have a boiling water. We add the broccoli to the boiling water. Needs only a few minutes to cook. Now we turn the high heat on the wok and spray some vegetable oil. This is olive oil I'm putting. You can also add a little bit of sesame seed oil to give it a nice aroma. You don't have to. Now we add the garlic and stir it a little bit. We can now add the shrimp. The shrimp doesn't need to be cooked too much because it will get hard if it's heated too much. So We reduce the heat to medium low. Now we add all the powder to it. As I said, if you're using too much soy sauce, don't add salt because it will get too salty. Now we stir it a little bit to mix the powder with the shrimp and the garlic. The broccoli seems to be getting ready. Now the broccoli that I have drained and it's ready to be added to the shrimp. Now we stir the broccoli and shrimp together. This is such a healthy food, and I recommend you try it. You're gonna love it. Now we are adding the liquid, which is soy sauce and the spring onion and corn starch. I shouldn't have put water in it because that makes it too liquid. Now we keep stirring it. Okay, broccoli and shrimp dish is ready. Just a little bit more heat. It's on a medium heat now. It's already here. Here you have it. Okay.